You know, as I look at the recent deportation of Janusz Walush, the racist white man that killed Ubaba Chris Hani, I cannot help but think of how the ministers of the GNU cabinet were configured. And it gives me a thought that it seems as if Ramaphosa deliberately put Groenewald in that correctional services ministry and that DA white guy in the home affairs ministry, specifically to make sure that Janusz Walush, one, is protected in custody, and number two, to make for the seamless transportation of this killer back to his